Class 12th Commerce, subject Accountancy, chapter number 6, Dissolution of Partnership Firm, lecture number 6. Illustration number 41. Now please open your book. Page number is 6.72. Now see. If the total assets they are of rupees 5 lakh, total liabilities are of rupees 1 lakh, amount realized on sale of assets of rupees 4 lakh 25,000 and realization expenses they are of rupees 5,000, then what will be the profit or loss on realization? Now see, some informations they are given to you and you have to find whether there is a profit or loss when you prepare a realization account. Now move on to solution. See, profit or loss on realization may be calculated by the preparation of realization account as follows. Now see, it is now realization account. In debit side, the amount of rupees assets is written. See, this amount we have brought from question to assets account because you have to prepare only realization account to find whether they have got profit or loss. Then by liabilities 1 lakh, to bank account liabilities paid, it is 1 lakh, to bank account expenses paid, it is 5,000. Now move on to right hand side, credit side. By bank assets realized 4 lakh 20,000. Then by capital accounts, loss on realization, it is overall rupees 85,000. Now see, partner's name is not given, so it is only written by capital accounts. Means loss will be transferred to partner's capital account. By the preparation of realization account, we have got the loss of rupees 85,000. Now move on to homework solution of lecture number 5. It is solution number 11. It means it is question number 11 and page number I have written it is 6.94. Now open your book at page number 6.94. Question number is 11 and the solution you can see it is on your screen. And now see, I think now the book is open. Page number 6.94. Now I am telling you some very important things. In the question 11, Anurag and Prem, they are partners. And the loan in liability side is given of Mrs. Anurag, wife of Anurag it means. So wife of Anurag, Mrs. Anurag, she is third party. Third party's loan is transferred to realization account and amount is paid in realization account itself. After that, move on to workman compensation reserve. In balance sheet, the amount is given 1,20,000, but the amount that was to be paid, that is of rupees 90,000 only. When the payment is less and workman compensation reserve is more, in that case the balance is done itself. By workman compensation reserve which has been transferred from balance sheet to realization account, only 90,000 has been transferred and the same has been paid. You can see in debit side to bank account workman compensation reserve. And one very important thing, move on to third number of adjustment. Sundry creditors took over investments in full settlement. Whenever any liability is settled by giving any asset, no entry is done. Whenever any liability is settled by any investment, by any asset, then no entry is done. Now move on to fifth number point. Prem agreed to take over the responsibility of completing dissolution work and he was given furniture. Again, for some work the furniture has been given. In that case also there will be no journal entry, there will be no transfer for such type of activities. Now see, creditors of rupees 60,000 transferred from balance sheet to realization account. Mrs. Anurag's loan 80,000. After that, workman compensation reserve 90,000 has been transferred, and the reason I have told you. Investment fluctuation reserve 10,000. And now listen, very important thing. See, for Anurag's loan you will prepare separate account, separate loan account, and there the amount will be paid to him. After that, in liabilities P&L account is given. This is profit. This will be transferred to partner's capital account. This amount will not be transferred in realization account. Move on to assets side. Advertisement expenses are given. Again listen, this is loss, and loss will be transferred to only partner's capital account, not in realization. Now see, debtors of rupees 60,000 transferred from balance sheet to realization account, to stock account 1 lakh, to furniture account 20,000, to plant account 4 lakh. And now listen, on credit side you can see by Anurag's capital account. And now listen, in one number Anurag took over 60% of stock at a discount. This is the amount of stock that has been taken over by Anurag, and the journal entry is Anurag's capital account debit to realization. By Anurag's capital account 48,000, this is the amount of stock which has been taken over by Anurag. After that you can see by bank investment that was sold for 14,000. After that, debtors realized that full complete amount was received. Debtors 45,000. Plant, it was sold. See, plant was sold at 20% less. Rather than 4 lakh you received only 3,20,000, and total bank account by bank it is 3,79,000. And now debit side is more. Of realization account it is 8,05,000. When you will add up realization account you will get the money. It is 6,70,000 in credit side. Debit is more, credit is less. The partners will suffer from loss. By loss transferred to partners capital accounts, it is for Anurag 90,000 and for Prem it is 45,000. Overall loss is of rupees 1,35,000. And the profit sharing ratio which is used, it is 2:1, and that is given to you in question. Homework, listen carefully, listen. See, homework, it is chapter number 6. You have to solve questions from 18 to 20, means 18, 19, 20 and 28A. 28A only, these are few questions that you will solve. There are only 4 questions, 18, 19, 20 and 28A. Thank you so much.